Sabi ko nga, puti sana kung hindi yung tako ko o mag-friend ko lang naman. Sabi ko kung conservative talaga. In time also from some better like me, wala akong sabihin na wala. I was expelled from Ateneo, pero ay, hindi naman ako. Makita ko si Inday. Ginubok talaga yung siya rin. Okay, sana ako isang hearing lang. I-gugod pa yun. Gugod na buhan. But that's the time of language in Mindanao. I'm a dictator that I will go beyond the terms of my office. Hindi ko sakit yan. That's it. Yung nanay ko nga, she was the one that okay, nung nag-aabusan. My mother led the yellow pride sa Davao to topple the dictator, tapos ako. At saka, pakakurong nito. You know, ayaw ko nga tumakbo. That's why I was vacillating for an electric fan. Mabalik si Inday, wala yung kontra, because nabalik really. Sa lahat naman sa Davao, wala nag-file laban sa amin. Pati kung sila, wala nag-file, wala. Well, wala election sa Davao. Yan ang diktador.